Hi friends, welcome to my channel InfoCraze. Today, we will discuss some common questions that may be asked in an interview for the position of entry-level accountants. This video will be very useful for quickly going through the answers to these basic but important questions. Before proceeding further, let me request you to subscribe to my channel if not done yet, so that you do not miss out on my future videos. Now, let's get started. Question 1. Can you explain the concept of accounting cycle? The accounting cycle is a series of steps that begins with identifying and recording of all transactions of a business and ends with the preparation of financial statement of accounts. It includes processes such as journalizing of transactions, posting to the general ledger, adjusting the entries, preparing trial balance, creating the financial statements and closing of accounting books. The accounting cycle ensures that all the financial transactions are accurately recorded and reported in a timely manner, within a specific period, in compliance with the regulatory requirements. The accounting cycle, also known as the fiscal year or financial year, can vary between the countries, which may be influenced by legal requirements, regulatory policies, industry practices, etc. For example, fiscal year in the United States is mostly the calendar year, which runs from January 1st to December 31st, whereas in India, it's from April 1st to March 31st. Question 2. What is a cash flow statement? A cash flow statement is a financial statement that provides a summary of the cash inflows and cash outflows of a business over a specific period. It categorizes the cash flows into three main sections. These are operating activities, investing activities, and financing activities. It provides valuable insights into a company's liquidity, operating performance, and financial health. Question 3. What is a trial balance and how to ensure that it balances? A trial balance is the list of all general ledger account balances at a specific point in time. Its purpose is to ensure that the debits equal credits, serving as an internal check on the accuracy of the accounting records. To ensure that it balances, we must correctly record all transactions using double entry accounting, ensuring that every debit entry has a corresponding credit entry and vice versa. Question 4. What is a fixed asset? What entry to be passed for purchase of a fixed asset? A fixed asset is a long-term tangible asset that is used in the operations of a business and is not intended for sale in the normal course of business. Fixed assets are expected to provide economic benefits to the company for more than one accounting period. Examples of fixed assets include land and building, plant and machinery, furniture and fixtures, etc. If a fixed asset is purchased with cash, accounting entry is debit, fixed asset, which means increase in asset, and credit, cash, which means decrease in cash. If the purchase of a fixed asset is done on credit, the entry is debit, fixed asset, which means increase in asset, and credit, accounts payable, which means increase in liability. Question 5. How do you handle inventory valuation in accounting, and what methods are commonly used? Inventory valuation is crucial for determining the cost of goods sold and the value of closing inventory in the balance sheet. Common methods of inventory valuation include first in, first out, last in, first out, and weighted average cost. First in, first out assumes that the oldest inventory items are sold first, while last in, first out assumes that the newest items are sold first. In the weighted average method, both inventory valuation and the cost of goods sold are calculated based on the weighted average price of all materials obtained over the period. With this, we come to the end of this video. If you find this video useful, please like and share the same. Also, please subscribe to my channel for many more interesting videos in the field of finance and accounts. If you want to learn more on related topics, you may refer to my other videos on interview questions for the job of junior accountants and share capital. Thank you very much.